everyone, so it's Eva back again with another video. Today is a very special one because actually I received this amazing package from a great artist from Etsy that she actually creates silicone molds. It's Magica Memy Creations. So it came today. I'm gonna be doing a review. I've bought quite a few molds, so let me go ahead and rip that out. I'm gonna be showing you, and I'm gonna show you what exactly I bought. It has a very nice packaging. Everything is neat inside, which is great. Let me see, how can we open this? It opens, no, it doesn't open this way. Okay, we found the opening. Let me take everything out. Woo, that's quite a few molds. Okay, let's put that aside. So I bought a bunch of molds. Actually, I bought all of these for 40 euros. And she actually had free shipping as well, which is great. So the first mold I'm seeing, and it's the one that I was obsessed with, is the Widget Board mold. Let me go ahead and rip the little packaging. Okay. Has a very nice size. You can see it in my palm. It's very clean. It doesn't seem to have any bubbles. I love this. I love this. It looks so cool. I like the exterior. It's amazing. The next one, it's the actual Widget Board. So I bought these as a package. I'm thinking of creating them into keychains and necklaces with different fluo colors. So let me put that over here. Oh, I love this. I love this. It has so many details. It's quite thick as a mold. But it has like only a thin layer. So I'll make a casting out of these babies. Today they're actually, you know, as a set in my mind. I'm really pleased with those ones. Second, I have the ribcage mold, which honestly I'm so in love with. I'm thinking of making these as magnets with a double collar or big chunky necklaces. I'm not 100% sure. Like, I'll do the initial pouring. You can see the depth. And you can actually do the ribcage as a first layer, and on top of it another one. I will be doing it with probably some glitter and a little bit more gore. Let me go ahead and continue to the next one. Everything is so nice packed. I love it. How perfect they are. It's silicone, so it gets stuck in the little envelopes, but it's great. So it's this little kitten that reminded me of Sailor Moon, like Luna or Artemis. We can do it like with both colors. It's so nice. I love it. I can texture like the eyes and the ears. Like, we can paint those. It's an open mold. You can see the size as well. I love it. I love it. Then I have some alien molds. I don't know, I'm very into vaporwave aesthetic like recently, so I've bought this. It actually has two little aliens in different sizes and two filler stars. So I'm thinking of making them keychains as well. You can see the depth over here. I love it. I'm thinking of doing like a purple blue aesthetic, so I love it. So if I'm going only to the pink ones, then I have the Totoro one. I love Totoro and I love Ghibli, and I didn't have a mold from them. So when I saw this, I was like obsessed with it. It's pretty thin as well. I love that they have these little like decorations on the side. I know it's from the cutters, but it's so cool. As you can see, it has many details. I want to paint all of these. I love this. It's so nice. Then I bought this really nice fillers. It's cute kawaii. Let me go ahead and take it out. This one, it's pretty thin. Okay. You can see they're all shiny, so the end result of your resin will probably be shiny. I like this as a very thin mold, but it's for mostly fillers for my decadent cases. And then we pass on to a grip. This is what I want to create as a grip. This is another one from Ghibli. It's a little like faces from Spirited Away, like the little red spots. So there we have this. I love this. It's so cute. Then we pass on to a very small mold, but it's still super cute. I mostly bought this for like, whoops, from the back for like fillers. It's another Luna. I love it. So cute, so cute. I love this. So far, I'm pretty pleased with everything I got. I'm super excited to see how they turn out as well. So the next one, it's actually pretty cool. I'm thinking of doing it as a necklace. It's a cat. There we go. It has another star filler. It's a cat that actually has like a lot of texture. I don't know if you can see it. It's really nice. This will probably be done with holographic paint. So yeah, I just love this. Then I have another super cute grip. It's actually Jack Skellington. I love this. I'm gonna make it as a pop cup for some like for back of a phone. And then we continue from the same universe. I bought another The Nightmare Before Christmas mold. Whoops. Let me go ahead and open this. This one, it's an Oogie Boogie one. I don't know if you can see it. Oogie Boogie. I love this. Looks so nice, so clean. I'm going to do it with a green resin probably. Like a fluorescent green resin. Oh my god. I'm in love with this. So nice. And then we have the last but not least, one of my most favorite designs, the Poisoned Apple. This actually is a big mold. There's a smaller one that it's about that size. It's for pop grips and keychains. I love this. You can drip it inside. I'm just so in love with this. Let me put them out for you one more time to see everything lined. So obviously I don't have my testings just yet. We're doing the unboxing together. So I'll put one here and I'll put my Totoro. Oh no, you cannot see it. Let me go ahead. I think they look nice. So I bought all of these for 40 euros and it had free shipping. They came from Italy. They came pretty fast. So the seller actually does like 2 or 3 weeks to create these amazing pieces, and she sends them to you with a tracking number, so there's no chance that you're gonna lose them. And I think they arrived approximately in 7 business days, so it's pretty cool. I definitely recommend her. Like these molds, all of these, they look amazing. I'm super pleased with my purchase, and I will be creating a lot of pieces. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, I'm doing a lot of demoldings, as well as have my Etsy store where you can buy all my things, or just even take a look. I would appreciate it very much. That's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.